The ROI that I gained from value investing and plus CFOS and the US case studies is about 15 to 20% per year. Before I actually joined VIA, in 2018, my husband and I actually went a lot of master classes. The reason is because when we wanted to start investing seriously, we wanted to get somebody whom we are comfortable with to learn investing, and we are very clear that we wanted to learn value investing. I know from the beginning that I will not do investing on my own. I wanted my husband to join me in this journey, and I think that it's a very good partnership, and also help one another, because if we both have the same goal, in terms of generating passive income, multiple streams of income, and to retire as early as possible. So after we went, I think a total of like 5 to 6 people that we actually trying to search who is this person, we chanced on Cayden VIA. I came here first on one night on my own, and I felt that he was very sincere, very humorous, and the way he discussed things and share, about investing and things like that is very fundamental, but at the same time very applicable. Then after that, I brought my husband, and I wanted a master class or a investing person or mentor that both of us are comfortable with. It's not just about knowledge, it's about how to relate the investing principles and the values to us. It's like how's the teaching method. Some mentors are very good, but they just do not know how to teach. But for Cayden, he knows how to dissect very complicated ratios, to me at least, to very simple layman understanding, where I can grasp very easily. So when I asked my husband, he said, he's the one, right? He said yes.
Many months later,
investing changed my life in terms of how I view money. In the past, I felt that money is very difficult to make. I realized that I'm always very scared, to spend too much from what I earn. I realized that I need to save a lot. So I got side hustles as well. So like maybe go and work something part-time, but it doesn't work. Because things get more expensive because of inflation, and as you grow older, you have more needs, you have more friends, you got more dinners, more lunches, more things you want to buy, and then you get peer pressure, and then travel. So I realized that it doesn't make sense anymore if we do not invest. Especially when I gave birth to my first son, and I realized that I need to start investing, because if not, then I would be lagging behind in terms of providing the best for them. I started investing before I actually joined VIA, but the things that I invested before was more like autopilot, like unit trusts, but I lost money on that. Investing is a game. It's like you lose some, you win some, but overall, you must win. I'm Julie. I'm from VIA Graduate Batch 31, and I work in a healthcare company.